Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, where we don't tell you what to think. We just give you the facts of the day, and you take whatever path you want. April 16th, we got a presidential executive order ensuring commercial cost-effective solutions in federal contracts. It's a showdown, ladies and gentlemen. It's a showdown, and anybody, no judgments here. It's a showdown between commercial and custom products and services. And this order lays out that it wants the government to prioritize commercially available public goods and services rather than custom solutions when it is able to do so. So in this order, the president is saying that the past administrations have, quote, abused the federal contracting framework by procuring custom products and services where a suitable superior commercial solution would have fulfilled the government's needs. So the order goes on to explain that there will be lengthier review processes with more details for requests for custom products and services. So things like price and market research would have to be included in those applications moving forward. So some real-world examples of this for commercial would be things like Dell laptops or Microsoft Service tablets and Microsoft software license agreements. Ford Explorers for government vehicles, something that's commercially available that the government should just go out and buy and implement into their processes. Some non-commercial goods and services here for you. Something like a custom fighter jet software for an F-35, NSA designed communications encryption software, mobile labs with unique biocontainment protocols requested by the CDC, things that are built specifically and customized for the government. So obviously, those things that I just laid out, we won't really be able to get rid of things like that. But the government is saying, and the president more targetedly, is saying that when there is a commercially available good or service that is just as good or better as the custom one in place, we should go with that to save some taxpayer money. And that's it. Have a good one.